Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your dialer application and navigate to the Contacts tab. Click on the three dots and then choose Settings. In here, choose Import Export, Import from SIM. This will reveal all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. You can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. Or if you want most of them, you can also just deselect some of them. And next, select Import. This will give you possibly several options where you can import your contacts to. For me, we have two options, phone and Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, you should be able to also scroll down on this. Anyway, I'm gonna select phone right here. And once you choose either option, that automatically imports your contacts to your contacts list. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.